Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. If the speed display options button is shown, the section contains options for the upper limit imposed by BMW on vehicle speed readings to be disabled, and for you to adjust the ratio of actual speed to displayed speed, allowing a truer vehicle speed to be shown by the speedometer. Click Coding Functions. Click Speed Display Options. You can choose between either of two maximum displayed speed ranges. Choose the desired speed range by clicking the relevant radio button. Note that selecting either of these speed ranges does not limit the motorcycle to any specific speed, nor does it remove any built-in speed limitation. To understand the actual speed to displayed speed ratio, it is necessary to know that for a number of reasons, most motor vehicles are shipped from the manufacturer with speedometers that overread slightly in relation to actual vehicle speed. This can be seen in the standard programming of this R1250 GS Adventure. For example, at a measured speed of 230 km an hour, the speed indicated on the instrument display would be 240 km an hour. To eliminate any difference between measured speed and displayed speed, set the value in each displayed speed field to the value shown in the corresponding measured speed field. To program your settings into the instrumentation display, click Continue.